I am pretty darn excited. Airpods Pro noise cancellation test coming up. Hi, I'm Arnie, and here we talk travel accessories, we talk camera gear, in short, anything to do with travel. And if you like that kind of content, why don't you consider subscribing? Just click that big red subscribe button down below. Don't forget, click the bell icon so you'll be notified whenever we put up new content. AirPods Pro. Now, this is not going to be comparison because I've never had AirPods before. Those things never fit me. I have never understood how anybody could wear them. I'm really excited about these because they have the rubber tips or silicone tips that go onto these, along with that active noise cancellation. Man, I'm thinking this is going to be a superb headphone, earbud, whatever you want to call it, for travel. In the past, I've used the big honking over the ear headphones, and these work pretty doggone well. You can still hear a little bit around you, but not bad. So I'm not sure if these AirPods Pro are going to actually live up to that. I'm hoping so, because this is so much nicer to carry around than this is. Anyway, let's take this apart. They always make such nice boxes. You know, the usual documentation. I'm not going to go through this whole thing because there are so many out there that do that. Let's pop these open. There they are. Pretty cool. Now, this, obviously the title says that this is all about the noise cancellation. And so what I'm going to do now, unfortunately, I'm not traveling, so I'm going to take them to the gym. And you know how noisy gyms can be with the treadmills going and the bicycles and all this stuff, in addition to the music playing and people talking. So I'm going to take them to the gym, and we're going to test them out and kind of see how much noise actually is canceled out. And hopefully that'll give us some idea of what it's going to be like on the airplane. Airplanes are typically pretty noisy. You get that rushing sound. So I have high hopes for these. Okay, so here I am at the gym, and I'm not sure if you can hear the cacophony around me, but there's the treadmills over there and people using different machines all around. And there's the music going. And I don't have any music playing right now. I just am using the noise cancellation and a long click. And it's amazing. Is it totally silent? No. But once you put your music over it, it's going to be amazing. Highly recommend these. Can't get over the difference. It's just such a small little form factor. When I use the over the head or over the ear earphones, I'm a little bit tired and out of breath. It makes a big difference, but these are just as good. I'm just blown away. Super stuff. Almost forgot. If you're going to use your AirPods Pros to watch movies, you're going to want to hear it, obviously. You're going to need some way of connecting your Pros to the system on the airplane, right? Well, to do that, you're going to need a little device like this from 12 South. And I've got a video coming up. It'll be right up here. Check it out. I'll have a little bit more explanation about this little guy. Wow. I really am blown away. I can't get over how good these things sound. And the level of noise cancellation, it's like There's nothing there. Awesome. I've had them in for a while now, and obviously I used them at the gym. Not cheap, but worth it in my opinion. Only you can tell. I've left a link down below so you can check them out. I think they're awesome. If you like this kind of stuff, make sure you click the subscribe button. Don't forget, click the bell. Leave a comment down below. Share it with your friends. We do appreciate you stopping by. Thanks so much. We'll see you next time. Great travel earbuds.